it's Saturday again, and I'm back with a new tutorial. So right now I am in Philippines and I am at the school called Cascades International School, and I am literally getting inspired by the creativity of the kids here. If you can just have a look around, you'll see many paintings and things which are drawn by the kids over here. So I am thinking, let's do something really basic, and let's go really basic and do something like, suppose let's take shapes. So today we'll be doing something with shapes. Let's get to it. I'm working with my Faber-Castell Eco Pigment pen 0.6. Fine. So let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle. Cool. Now let's put in some expressions. Nose, and just play with more shapes for the mouth part. You can put in extra elements like eyebrows, maybe some mustache, maybe some beard kind of a thing over here. It is totally about your thought process, how you are going to make this. Add some ears here and hair. Okay, let's move to the next shape. Let's suppose I am working with the triangle eyes over here. A longer nose, a rectangle mouth. Dings. Right? Eyebrows, maybe little hair. Okay, maybe some specs. Right? Let's move to the another shape. Let's make a bow here. Sleepy eyes, nose, smiley face, little bit cheek things. Right. So that's all you have to do today. Take some random shapes, throw in some expressions, play with random shapes and elements and everything, and create a face. Okay? So create your own face and tag DAW Tutorials in your post. I'll be sharing them in my stories. Bye bye. See you next time.